Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zippy's chili, a beloved Hawaiian comfort food. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef and 4 ounces of Portuguese sausage for that distinct flavor. Make sure to finely chop 1 medium onion, 4 celery stalks, and 1 green bell pepper. Also, have 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of oregano on hand. Don't forget 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 6 tablespoons of tomato paste. Finally, grab 1 can each of pinto and kidney beans, 14 ounces of chicken broth, and 2 bay leaves. Now, let's begin preparing the chili base. Start by browning your ground beef and Portuguese sausage in a large pot over medium heat. Once cooked, drain any excess grease to keep your chili from being too oily. Next, add the finely chopped onion, celery, and green bell pepper to the pot, sautéing them until they become soft and translucent. Finally, stir in the minced garlic, chili powder, cumin, and oregano, cooking for about 1 minute until their aromas fill your kitchen. With our base ready, it's time to build the rich flavor of Zippy's chili. Stir in the tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, both cans of drained beans, and the 14 ounces of chicken broth. Don't forget to add the 2 bay leaves for depth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let your chili cook for about 45 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Your delicious Zippy's chili is almost ready to enjoy. First, carefully remove the bay leaves from the pot. Now for the secret touch. Stir in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise until it's fully incorporated, giving your chili that signature creamy texture. Taste and adjust the salt as needed to ensure perfect seasoning. Serve your warm chili over fluffy white rice or with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese or chopped green onions. Enjoy this taste of Hawaii.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.